Good day everyone. In today's video I'd like to talk about the Aussie dollar. Let's start off with the monthly chart. The way I see it, we have the Aussie dollar breaking out of the prolonged range, as you can see from the blue box here where I've written here. So after breaking it and in the month of July, we have prices trying to push up in August and September. So after hitting a round number of 0.8, right, the price is finding a bit tough for it to break further. So once you can't go up, the next obvious place is for it to come down. So I've marked the areas of support. What we have here is the 0.77164 area. I'm looking around this area before the Aussie would find some support and buy, because my long-term trend for the Aussie is a buy. Now, having said that, right, for it to come down to this level at 0.77164, you first has to break this low, and the low is about 0.78075. okay, so next time frame we're going to go through is the weekly chart. Now, like anything else, we had the obvious highs here taken out, and the price coming down, which is a very common move among what they call the big boys. They like to clean everybody out the market before coming down. So we just saw that, and for the Aussie to come down much further, this is the level that we talked about, the 0.78075 area. So he has to pass through here, and I expect the Aussie to find some support around this area at the 0.77044 area around here. And if this area does not hold water, then about 0.75530 area. But to look into detail, always the best time frame to go into is the lower time frames. Then we can see at which area is one of the best support areas that we can look at. Okay, so the next obvious time frame that we should study is the daily chart. Looking at the daily chart, the 0.78373 area is a very important area for it to break first. Let's go a bit smaller. As you can see here, I've marked these are I'm not looking at the 0.78373 as a support area, but my very first support area will be the 0.77655 area. This will be the short-term support, next followed by 0.77059, and finally at 0.76021. So remember, these three areas are rather critical to me. If it does come to this area at 0.76021, I will do more long-term trades to build my trades, whereas these two areas I will trickle in slowly to see that if it has the momentum to move into long-term trades. These two areas at 0.7765 and 0.77059. The last time frame that we're going to look at is the last 4-hour chart. Let's drag a bit down. Now, to narrow down the areas that we are looking at the daily chart, there are two areas that I'll be looking right now at the 0.77245. These are the, if you remember on my daily chart, I was talking about these areas, right? So look at these areas for the short-term buys, and protect them with the 1-to-1 risk reward entry. Then you won't have any headaches. So in rather detailed area will be 0.77245 and the 0.76832. So I'll be waiting a bit for the Aussie to drop, and these are the areas that I'll be looking at to see if the short-term buys does hold water. Okay, so let's hope and let's check it out for the remainder of the week. Okay, have a good one everybody.